Hello everyone, welcome back to Old Iron Farm Toys. Today we're going to be taking a look here at this Gehl round baler here. This is a 1/64 scale unit. As you can probably tell, this is it's the proper name, as you can see right here, is the 1/64 scale replica Gehl 2580 silage special with, what is that, quick. Right, okay. So anyways, we're going to be taking a look at this here today. And I got this at Half Century Progress Show for about $38. That's a typical price on these because they're pretty rare. And there's not much 1/64th scale Gehl equipment out there. Or Gehl. I say Gehl, or not Gehl, Gehl. So some of you other people might pronounce it different. This is made by, let's see here, diecast, if I can find it, Trademarks models, that's what that says. But anyways, $38 is what a normal priced one of these is going to cost you, because these are pretty rare. I got it because I collect 1/64th scale round balers. I do have a few more rare round balers right here. These are pretty. This one is kind of rare, hard to find piece. The older Vermeer baler, because they don't really make, Ertl doesn't make Vermeer balers anymore. Speccast does. So I do have a couple other ones, but anyways, let's get started into the review here. This is, if you didn't see the Half Century of Progress Show haul, go check that video out. If I can get it out. So, hope everyone watching this video is having a good day. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. It means a lot. Always good to have some new followers. So we just rolled over 5,000 subscribers, so there will be a subscriber special coming soon. So maybe not that much. Let's see here. That'll be good. Oop, don't really need that in the way. So we'll do a little round bale. It's a tiny round bale. For example, here is one of the nice round bales. That's pretty small. Anyways, nice that they still include a round bale. You can have it like half eaten by the cows or something. So that's pretty cool. We have the actual toy itself. Now, I wouldn't mind finding another one of these just to like weather, or not, just keep in the box, because they are pretty rare. They're also really cool. But starting off, really nice. I love the front here underneath the Gehl logo. I think it looks pretty cool. Your hitch, your pickup head there with your teeth, your little front wheels. This is a tiny baler. Just for example, here is a newer New Holland baler. So, pretty small baler. But back in the day, they didn't need balers like this. So, that is a New Holland baler, if you couldn't tell. Well, personally, I think New Holland makes some good hay equipment. But, moving on, the side here. I'll zoom in for you guys so you guys don't see my fingers. But nice detail. I don't know what that is, but nice decals. You got some nice tires. I don't know what the back box here. I don't know. That black box, I don't know what that would be. But you do have your twine box on the back, and then wow, look at the inside. I'll zoom out a little bit so you guys can kind of see. But look at the detail in there. So, and the round bale should squeeze up, right up in there. And then you can dump that round bale out. Keep her chugging. So that is really cool. Really cool feature or detail. Not so much feature. All round balers should be able to dump the bale out, and if they can't, then that's kind of a little issue. But yeah, I think this is like a nice little baler for say like a 50-60 horse tractor, you know, something small like that. I think that looks pretty cool, and the color matches too. So but yeah, there is a lot of cool there's just a lot of cool 1/64 scale toys out there, but you just gotta find them. Like this baler, this is really cool. These can sell for $70 on eBay. I got mine for what I thought was a pretty cool deal of half of that. So really cool. I'd like to try to find another one to leave in the package. The package on this one was just a little rough, so I just decided to take it out, and I could use it on a display. But yeah, it is really cool. It color matches with the Hestons too, so that is pretty nice. I do have a Heston baler, but yeah, a really cool piece. If you don't have one of these, I'd highly recommend trying to find one. It does sit a little low, it looks like, but that might be the design. Like, it looks like it's going down a little bit, but I don't know. Not that big of a deal. But anyways, thanks for watching today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure to like and subscribe. We are on the race to... Well, actually, we did get 5,000 subscribers before the end of August, so I thank you for that. But our next goal, we're trying to hit 10,000 by next August, so August 2026. But my goal for the end of the year is 7,000 subscribers. I think that's possible if everyone watching this video right now would like and subscribe. But until then, thanks for watching. I'll be at, well, hopefully Louisville. We might go to Louisville, so... Anyways, National Farm Machinery Show, that's what it's called. But anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. If you guys like Gehl equipment, leave a like. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Old Iron Farm Toys out.